Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we will learn small talk you need to know.
Small talk is very important in daily life.
Yes, small talk helps you start conversations.
It helps you feel comfortable with people.
What is small talk?
Small talk is short and simple conversation.
Repeat.
Small talk is short and simple conversation.
Good. When do we use small talk?
We use it at work, with friends, and with new people.
Repeat.
We use it with new people.
Excellent. Let's start with greetings.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good, thank you.
Good.
Repeat.
I am fine, thank you.
Good. Now another greeting.
Okay.
Hi, how's it going?
It's going well.
Repeat.
It's going well.
Good. Now talking about the day.
Okay.
How was your day?
My day is good.
Busy or free?
It is a little busy.
Repeat.
It is a little busy.
Good. Now talking about weather.
Easy topic.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is sunny.
Is it hot or cold?
It is a little hot.
Repeat.
It is a little hot.
Good. Now talking about work.
Okay.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Repeat.
I like my job.
Good. Now talking about free time.
Fun topic.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and listen to music.
Do you go out?
Yes, I go out with friends.
Repeat.
I go out with friends.
Good. Now let's make a longer small talk.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Great! Let's continue our small talk lesson.
Yes, I want to practice more real conversations.
Good! Small talk helps you feel comfortable with people.
Yes, it makes speaking easier.
Now let's talk about meeting someone again.
Okay,
Hi, nice to see you again.
nice to see you too.
How have you been?
I have been good.
Repeat.
I have been good.
Good. What have you been doing?
I have been working and learning English.
Very good. Now let's talk about weekends.
Okay,
What did you do last weekend?
I stayed home and watched movies.
Did you go out?
Yes, I went out with friends.
Repeat.
I went out with friends.
Good. Now talking about plans.
Future plans.
What are you doing this weekend?
I will relax and study English.
Do you have any plans?
Yes, I will meet my friends.
Repeat.
I will meet my friends.
Good. Now let's talk about food.
Easy topic.
What do you like to eat?
I like rice and chicken.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Repeat.
My favorite food is pizza.
Good. Now talking about hobbies.
Okay.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like watching movies.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
Repeat.
I like reading.
Good. Now let's practice a longer small talk.
I am ready.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
How was your weekend?
It was good. I relaxed and watched movies.
Did you go out?
Yes, I met my friends.
What did you do?
We talked and had fun.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it was nice.
Good. Now let's practice polite small talk.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is the name of your city?
My city is New York.
That is a famous city.
Yes, many people know New York.
Now, listeners, think about your city.
Yes, think about where you live.
What is the name of your city?
Try to say it in English.
Tom, is your city big or small?
My city is very big.
How many people live there?
Millions of people live there.
Wow, that is a lot of people.
Yes, the city is always busy.
Listeners, now answer this question.
Is your city big or small?
Say it out loud.
My city is big.
Or you can say, my city is small. Leela, what do you like about your city? I like the parks and restaurants.
That sounds nice.
Yes, there are many beautiful places. Tom, what do you like about New York?
I like the buildings and the parks.
Are there many tall buildings?
Yes, there are many tall buildings.
Listeners, repeat after Tom.
There are many tall buildings in my city.
Tom, are there many parks in your city?
Yes, there are many parks.
Do people visit the parks often?
Yes, people love the parks.
Parks are important in a city.
Yes, they are good places to relax.
Tom, are there many restaurants in your city?
Yes, there are many restaurants.
What kind of food can you find there?
You can find food from many countries.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, the food is amazing.
Listeners, repeat after Tom.
My city has many restaurants.
Tom, how do people travel in your city?
Many people take the subway.
Do people also drive cars?
Yes, some people drive cars.
Is traffic busy in your city?
Yes, traffic is very busy.
Listeners, repeat.
Traffic is busy in my city.
Tom, are there many shops in your city?
Yes, there are many shops.
Do people enjoy shopping there?
Yes, people love shopping.
What kind of shops are there?
There are clothing stores, bookshops, and supermarkets.
That is great.
Yes, you can buy many things.
Tom, is your city expensive?
Yes, it is very expensive.
Do people need a lot of money to live there?
Yes, living in the city costs a lot.
Listeners, repeat.
My city is expensive.
Tom, what is the weather like in your city?
The weather changes a lot.
Is it cold in winter?
Yes, winter is very cold.
What about summer?
Summer is hot and sunny.
Listeners, repeat after Tom.
Summer is hot in my city.
Tom, do many tourists visit your city?
Yes, many tourists visit every year.
Why do they visit?
They want to see famous places.
What famous places are in your city?
There are museums, parks, and famous streets.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, there are many things to see.
Listeners, repeat.
Many tourists visit my city.
Tom, what do people usually do in your city?
People work, study, and enjoy entertainment.
Are there many cinemas?
Yes, there are many cinemas.
Are there many cafes?
Yes, people love cafes.
Cafes are good places to talk and relax.
Yes, many people meet friends there.
Listeners, repeat after Tom.
People meet friends in cafes.
Tom, is your city safe?
Yes, most areas are safe.
Do you feel comfortable living there?
Yes, I feel comfortable.
Tom, what is your favorite place in the city?
My favorite place is the park
Why do you like it?
because it is peaceful and green.
Do you go there often?
Yes, I go there on weekends.
Listeners, repeat.
My favorite place is the park.
Tom, Do you like living in your city?
Yes, I love living there.
Why do you love it?
Because it is exciting and full of life.
That is a beautiful description.
Thank you.
Listeners, now think about your city.
Try to describe it in English.
You can say, my city is big.
Or you can say, my city is small.
You can say, my city has many parks.
Or, my city has many restaurants.
You can also say, my city is beautiful.
Or, my city is busy.
Practice these sentences every day.
The more you speak, the better you become.
Now, let's review.
Review time.
My city is big.
My city is small.
There are many parks.
There are many restaurants.
Traffic is busy.
Many tourists visit the city.
The weather is hot in summer.
Winter is cold.
Excellent work today.
You practiced many useful sentences.
Talking about your city is very common in English conversation.
Now you can describe your city with confidence.
Comment below and tell us about your city.
We want to know where you live.
Thank you for listening to Happy English.
Please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
And share this podcast with your friends.
Keep practicing English every day.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Now, on the plane.
Okay.
Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
Do you want tea or coffee?
I would like coffee.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat.
I would like coffee.
Excellent. Now you arrive in a new country.
This is exciting.
Where is the taxi stand?
Where is the taxi stand?
It is outside of the airport.
It is outside of the airport.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, in a taxi. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to this hotel.
How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
It is $20.
Okay.
Listeners, repeat.
I want to go to this hotel.
Good. Now, at the hotel.
Very important.
Hello? I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
What time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is at 7.
Good.
Listeners, repeat.
I have a reservation.
Excellent. Now, asking for directions.
This is very useful.
Excuse me, where is the nearest restaurant?
Where is the nearest restaurant?
It is next to the park.
Thank you.
How can I get there?
How can I get there?
Go straight and turn right.
Go straight and turn right.
Listeners, repeat.
How can I get there?
Good. Now, at a restaurant.
My favorite part.
Hello, can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
What would you like?
I would like chicken and rice.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I would like water.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat.
I would like chicken and rice.
Excellent. Now, shopping.
Okay.
How much is this?
How much is this?
It is $10.
That is cheap.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat.
How much is this?
Good. Now, making friends.
Very important.
Hello, where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
How do you like the city?
I like it very much.
That's great.
Yes, it is beautiful.
Listeners, repeat.
I like this city.
Excellent. Now, talking about problems.
Sometimes problems happen.
I need help.
I need help.
I lost my bag.
I lost my bag.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Where did you lose it?
I lost it at the airport.
Listeners, repeat.
I need help.
Good. Now, leaving the hotel.
End of the trip.
I want to check out.
I want to check out.
Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
Listeners, repeat.
I want to check out.
Excellent. Now, let's review.
Review time.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
I would like coffee.
I would like coffee.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Where is the restaurant?
Where is the restaurant?
I need help.
I need help.
Great job today.
You practiced English for travel.
These sentences will help you in real life.
Practice again and again.
Comment below.
Tell us where you want to travel.
Thank you for listening.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.